Hi, I'm Dr. Ola Hassan. I'm a dentist here as well as the Facial Aesthetics Practitioner at OSD Healthcare. Wrinkles and fine lines are a natural part of the aging process. So as we get older, our skin gets drier, it gets thinner, and with continuous muscle movements, we end up developing these fine lines on our face. Initially, these fine lines can develop when we are in dynamic movement. So when we're moving our face, doing facial expressions, these lines show up. Over time, if left untreated, these lines can then become etched into our face permanently, which means that even when we're expressionless, these lines are there and they're visible. Anti-wrinkle treatments helps to smooth these out. Every patient is required to have a thorough consultation. This is because we need to go through your medical history, ensure that the treatment is suitable for you. This is a priority. We would then assess your face, assess your skin, assess your facial features, and discuss with you your areas of concerns. We would also advise you what treatments we would recommend, and perhaps you might have an idea of what you would like, and actually we might suggest something else. Every patient is different, so the advice we give you is tailored to you. So for example, what might look good on somebody else will definitely not look good on you. And that's why it's so vital that every approach is a tailored approach. On the day of treatment, you would come in and we would go through your medical history once again, just to make sure that nothing's changed since your previous consultation. We would then revise over what we discussed at your consultation appointment and make sure we're both on the same page with regards to what we want to achieve and what's realistic to achieve. You would then have your skin cleansed and you would be marked up appropriately. The anti-wrinkle treatment works by utilising a purified form of a protein, which is very carefully administered into muscles that are generally moving during dynamic movements. What happens here is that protein causes the signals between the muscle and the brain to reduce, and that's what causes the relaxation of the muscles, reducing those fine lines and wrinkles from developing and reducing them from being etched into our skin. And that's why this treatment is quite good as a preventative measure. You would then be given some post-operative instructions so that you know what to do after your visit to make sure that the results last as long as possible, but also reduce the risk of any complications. Anti-wrinkle treatments tends to last for a period of 3 to 4 months. That's generally when those nerve signals start to work again. When the purified protein is administered into your muscle, it takes about 2 to 3 days for them to start acting, up to 2 weeks for it to start working maximally. After 3-4 months, that's when you start to notice that the effects start to wear down. With some patients who have repeated treatment, the effects can actually last a little bit longer.